Have you ever connected to the Wi-Fi at a coffee shop, an airport, or a hotel and gotten that little nagging feeling in the back of your head? The one that whispers, "Is this safe? Who else is on here? Can someone see what I'm doing?" It's a valid worry. Your iPhone has your entire life on it. Your bank info, private messages, emails, photos. The thought that all of it could be exposed on an unsecured network is enough to give anyone a little anxiety. You've probably heard a VPN is the answer, but then a new wave of stress hits. Setting one up sounds complicated, right? Like you need to be some kind of tech genius to figure it out. Well, what if I told you that's not true at all? What if securing your iPhone and protecting your digital life is not only easy, but you can do it in just a few taps? In this video, I'm going to walk you through the super simple, step-by-step way to get NordVPN up and running on your iPhone, so you can finally use that public Wi-Fi with total peace of mind. Welcome to the ultimate beginner's guide to NordVPN on your iPhone. My goal today is to cut through all the confusion and show you just how easy this is. We're going from start to finish, from downloading the app to connecting to a secure server and even tweaking some features that will turn your iPhone into a privacy fortress. I'll be right there with you, walking you through every single tap on the screen. All right, you ready to make sense of VPNs and take back control of your online privacy? Let's get into it. So first things first, let's talk about the why. Before we get into the how-to, it helps to understand what a VPN is actually doing. Think of a VPN, or virtual private network, as your own personal encrypted tunnel for the internet. Normally, when you browse a website, your data travels out in the open. On an unsecured public Wi-Fi, that's like sending a postcard. Anyone on the network who knows how could potentially intercept it and read the contents. A hacker could see the websites you visit, the data you send, and maybe even grab your logins and passwords. But when you use a VPN like NordVPN, it creates a secure tunnel between your iPhone and the internet. All your data gets shoved inside this tunnel and encrypted, which basically scrambles it into unreadable code. So instead of a postcard, you're sending your info in a locked, armored truck. No one on the local network can see what's inside or where it's really going. Your actual IP address and location are hidden, and you're given a new one from the VPN server you connect to. This gives you two huge benefits on your iPhone. First, security. That sketchy public Wi-Fi at the cafe suddenly becomes much safer. You can check your bank account or log into your email knowing that local network snoops and cybercriminals can't intercept your information. It's an essential security layer for life in 2026. While no single tool can protect you from every threat online, a VPN is your absolute best defense against network-based attacks. Second, access. Ever been traveling and tried to watch a show from back home only to get that "not available in your region" error? It's the worst. Because a VPN lets you connect to a server in a different country, it makes websites think you're physically there. By connecting to a NordVPN server in your home country, you can get access to all the streaming libraries, news sites, and content you're used to, no matter where you are. So, a VPN gives you security from hackers and privacy from prying eyes, all while unlocking a more open internet. Now that you know why a VPN is so important, let's get to the main event, the setup. I'm going to show you how to sign up and start using NordVPN on your iPhone. The first thing you'll need, of course, is a NordVPN account. If you've already signed up, you're ahead of the game, and you can follow along with the next steps. Grab your iPhone and let's do this together. First step, download the official NordVPN app from the App Store. It's a free download. Just unlock your iPhone and find that blue App Store icon. Tap it. Once you're in the App Store, head over to the Search tab in the bottom right corner. Tap the search bar and type in NordVPN. That's NORD-VPN. The app should pop right up at the top with its classic mountain logo. To the right of the app, you'll either see a Get button or a little cloud icon if you've had it before. Go ahead and tap that. Your phone might ask for your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID to confirm. The app will download and install itself. Once it's done, the button will change to Open. Tap it to launch the app. The app will greet you and ask you to agree to their privacy policy. Tap Agree and Continue. You'll probably also get a standard iOS pop-up asking for permission to send notifications. This is totally up to you. Allow or don't allow, your call. Now you'll see the main screen with two options, log in or sign up. Since you already have your account, tap Log In. This will take you to a screen where you can enter the email and password for your Nord account. Type them in carefully and hit Log In. Once you're in, you'll land on the app's main dashboard with a big world map and a Secure My Connection button. This is the moment of truth. The easiest way to get protected is to just use this feature. Secure My Connection automatically finds the fastest, most stable server for you. Go ahead and tap that Secure My Connection button. Before you are connected to the VPN, the system will ask you if you do not have a subscription. Choose the right subscription for you. I will choose a monthly. After you pay for the subscription, you will get some pop-ups. Tap Get Started. Tap Next until you get to the Secure My Connection button and click it. Since this is your first time, a system pop-up will appear from iOS itself. It'll say something like, NordVPN would like to add VPN configurations. This sounds official, but it's a totally normal and necessary step. Your iPhone just needs your permission to let NordVPN manage the connection. Tap Allow. Your iPhone will then ask you to confirm with your passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID. This is just an extra security step to make sure it's really you. Go ahead and authenticate. And that's it. Seriously. You'll see the app connect, the status at the top will change from unprotected to secured in green, and a little VPN icon will appear in the status bar at the top of your iPhone screen. Congratulations! You are now connected and protected by NordVPN. All the data leaving your phone is encrypted. See? Told you it was easy. Quick Connect is awesome for fast, everyday security, but the real fun of a VPN is getting to choose your virtual location. So let's get familiar with picking a specific server. Let's say you're traveling and want to watch Netflix from back home. On the main screen, instead of hitting Quick Connect, just swipe up from the bottom where it says All Locations. This pulls up a full list of every country where NordVPN has servers. You can scroll through it or use the search bar at the top to find a specific country. When you find the one you want, just tap on its name. The app will automatically connect you to the best server in that country. The map pin will move and your status will change to secured. It's that simple. For some countries, you can even drill down to a specific city. If you see little arrows next to a country's name, you can tap it to see a list of cities and connect directly to one. You might also spot specialty servers. These are for more specific needs. For instance, Double VPN routes your traffic through two servers for even more privacy, and obfuscated servers are for use in places with heavy internet restrictions. As a beginner, you probably won't need these daily, but it's cool to know they're there. Okay, you know how to connect and pick a location, but the real magic is setting NordVPN up to protect you automatically, so you can just set it and forget it. First up, my favorite feature for beginners, AutoConnect. This tells the app to automatically secure your connection whenever you join a Wi-Fi network. To set it up, tap the profile icon in the bottom right of the app, then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll see AutoConnect. Tap that. You've got a few choices here. I recommend setting it to On Wi-Fi Networks. This way, anytime you join a Wi-Fi network that isn't your trusted home network, at a cafe, airport, or hotel, NordVPN will fire up and protect you without you having to lift a finger. Next, let's enable threat protection. Back on the main dashboard, look for the little shield icon and tap on it. Now, it's good to know that the version on your iPhone, sometimes called Threat Protection Lite, works a bit differently from the desktop version. It operates at the DNS level to block malicious websites known for malware and phishing scams, and it also helps block some ads and trackers. Just toggle it on. Think of it as a bodyguard that works with your VPN to keep you even safer. With AutoConnect and threat protection on, you've created a powerful, always-on security setup. And just like that, your iPhone is now a privacy powerhouse. We went from understanding the why to installing the app, connecting, and even setting up automatic protection. You've taken a huge step in taking back control of your digital life, and you can now use your iPhone on any network with confidence. Not so intimidating now, is it? If this video helped you out and made things clearer, do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel grow. For more easy-to-follow tech guides, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. And finally, if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments below. I do my best to read and answer as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.